Right now, we're just going to tap and breathe. While we're tapping, we're just going to take some slow breaths. We'll go in through the nose and then out through the mouth. And you can even count to 4 when breathing in and count to 6 while breathing out. Longer breaths out is really great for anxiety. These tapping points are proven to send a fast signal to the stress centers in your brain, letting your system know that you're safe. It's not complicated, it's not magic, and it's not belief. It's just biology. And it works for everyone because everyone has the same body system. If emotions come up, just acknowledge them. No need to judge them or do anything about them. You're safe to take the time to tap. You're safe in this exact moment. And if you need proof of that, you already have it. Because when I said you're safe in this exact moment, that moment has already passed. It's over. And you were safe in that moment, right? Just like you're safe in this exact moment. So if thoughts come, just allow them to pass through with your breath. Imagine them coming and going as you breathe in and breathe out. And just follow along while I guide the tapping and the breathing. We'll start tapping on the top of the head. Breathe in and breathe out. Eyebrow point. Breathe in and breathe out. Side of the eye. We're going to breathe in and breathe out. Under the eye. We'll breathe in and breathe out. Under the nose. Breathe in and breathe out. On the chin. Breathe in and breathe out. On the chest. Breathe in and breathe out. Under the arm. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's just take a deep breath. You can take a minute to tune back into your body and see where that number is at now. And if you're not at 0 or 1, those are good places to be. You can just keep going with it. Thanks for being here. Every effort that you make to increase your emotional resilience not only affects you, but it affects all those people around you. When you change yourself, you are literally changing the world. So thank you.